Good morning. Today is Friday, October 22nd, and I'm Marv Eisen. For those of you who've been watching my YouTube videos, you know that I talk about trading zones. And I send this information to my students each evening to prepare them for the following day's trading, to give them a heads up on what the price range will likely be the following day. The numbers that I sent my students for yesterday, October 21st, were 45.29, 45.28, and 45.47. And the trading range was bound by 45.28 and 45.47. Now, the significance of these three numbers are 45.29 is the close of the previous day. 45.28 and 45.47, though, are calculated numbers based on Taylor's book method, which is a historical means that's been time-tested over 50 years of trying to determine where the market will trade the following day. So, by quantifying an area of prices where the market is likely to trade, we can prepare ourselves for price action as it develops the following morning. But there's more of a significance to these two numbers. What if the market doesn't open anywhere near these numbers? And this is what happened yesterday. Look, the market opened down here at 45.18. 45.18, 10 points lower than my 45.28 trading zone bottom prediction. Here's the significance. If you take the difference of 45.47 and 45.28, you'll see that's 19 points. So where did the market move yesterday? Where did the market go? What range did it traverse? Well, the market started out at a bottom of 45.18, and if you add 45.18, 19 points onto that, you'll see that number is 45.37. So where did the market end up? Well, let's go to where the market closed. Right here, this is 4 p.m., just before 4 p.m., 45.41. 45.41. So just before the market closed, prices reached that 19-point range. So how useful are these numbers, even if prices don't open within our trading zone? Pretty useful, wouldn't you say? If you'd like to get these numbers each evening to prepare yourself for the following day's trading and to be more knowledgeable, and remember, knowledge is power, check out my trading course at timelessdollar.com. When you do, I'll send you these numbers each evening, and I'll teach you how to prepare your chart, how to read these numbers, because there's a little more to it than just posting a few numbers on your chart. So check out my course, enroll at timelessdollar.com, and I'll get you started on the right track, and you'll become a better trader and a more informed trader and a more successful trader. Thanks for watching. This is Marv Eisen. Trade safe. Have a great Friday and a great weekend.